repainted this race bike, and then we did a tests. We did a lot of tests. I put a little bit of footage in me priming it. Well, let's go back to when I just started priming the bike. Today,
guess what bike this is?
Have the race bike here. And I finally painted it. My battery died and I didn't have my mom's phone at the time. So I didn't get a chance.
What we called it?
All of this, I would say, took about 4 to 5 hours of going back and forth of painting and priming. You know. Did the handlebar first. Then we moved on to this.
Here's some spots, though.
Yeah, guys,
it's still
a
good.
Terrible paint.
It's still a good bike, though. Hey, let them sit there. I'm sure they.
This bike is sick. Still fast as ever. I've been wanting to do this video for so long.
I can't believe we couldn't record because you didn't charge his camera.
But yeah, guys, this took actually
After all that promising
to paint the whole thing. The primer wasn't very long, but the paint really took the longest to dry. But I also painted the rims a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Also, I guess I painted the reflectors.
I thought the reflector fell off.
The front one did.
No, I thought both.
Alright guys, let's see if we can hit some wheelies. Oh, and then I'll show you what's going on with the BMX bike after. Because I did some maintenance on that today.
Did we lose the chain? Fell off.
I'm gonna say, what is this?
3, 2, 1. We're back.
Yeah, it's a little bit too loose, guys. But that's okay. That'll do for a minute.
Guys, we found some frogs earlier already. Better, guys, green, black, or the same.
You guys like the race bike best? The nightmare machine best? The BMX bike the best? Or the clapped blue bike the best? So here's what I did, guys. I finally got the front brakes working. So,
Kinda good.
yeah, you guys stay here and I'll come down and hit the brakes as hard as I can. Not as hard as I can, but... That wasn't very hard braking.
Mid-brake.
So they work pretty well now. So that's what I did with the BMX.
Maybe it does look a little bit.
It's doing great, as always.
Let's look under the lawnmowers. We can't look under some.
Yeah, but this thing is doing great. turning it on.
Hopefully.
But yeah, engine's doing well. Yeah. But yeah, guys, this might be not too long of a video, but this took like 5 hours.
It's an 8-minute video.
This took way longer. But this bike is sick. We should definitely ride this at nighttime sometime.
Barely be able to see it, probably. Huh? Said you'd probably barely be able to see
I kind of wish it was dark enough, guys, because I would do it right now. I wish we could do it when it gets dark, but now it's getting dark at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's crazy.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. It's crazy, guys. Time change is crazy. Just crazy, guys. Just crazy. This is crazy. Gray grip. Wait, whoa.
Whitey Gray.
What happened to them? They got all messed up, guys. Jeez.
Let's look on the inside, guys. I will zoom you guys in.
But, yeah.
Hold it still. They're trying to look inside.
This thing is pretty sick.
If I can even find it.
I'm on the road to 10 subs. I just hit 8. So thank you all so much. Alright guys, it's like the next day.
Yes. Okay. This is obvious.
This is gonna go into that other video. It's the next day. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit more testing, some top speed runs. Down there. Finally, it's been a little while since we've been down there.
You don't have your speedometer.
I know, but
Hey, Coon, we're friends now.
it's been a while since I went fast on this on camera. Boy, I clipped a 30-kilometer-an-hour challenge here, though. Wait, sorry guys, that didn't work. It didn't work that time.
Try again.
Sorry guys, something's acting up the magic. Let's try that again. There it goes. Okay, guys, first guys, I did a few touch-ups. I tried to paint the rims. Painted that.
Go slow so I can follow.
It's gonna have its first test start. I just need to get 10W30 oil.
Oh, heck. Guys, no.
I'm gonna test every single one of them in the next video.
Bye, guys.